Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today we'll have a look around this lovely Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace R-Line. This SUV is powered by a 2-litre TDI 190 PS engine with automatic transmission and 4-motion drive. It's finished in a lovely metallic platinum grey with R-Line body styling and offers some exceptional exterior features. To the side you'll find the stylish 20-inch Misano black diamond turned alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility and has automated activation. Coming into the boot, you can see the Allspace offers generous space for various items, folding rear seats and a privacy screen. The boot also features 2 folded seats which can be adjusted to allow 2 additional passengers. This is perfect for larger families or groups. Into your rear seating, and you'll see the interior has the lovely greyson sports cloth upholstery, which features a folding central armrest and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you've got your climate control and USB port. Coming into the cabin, and you'll find the front sport seats with height and lumbar adjustment that guarantee comfort with every drive, alongside other features such as cup holders, storage and wireless phone charging. The multi-function steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions, and controls for the digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can customise it with a variety of options such as telephone, vehicle status, drive data, navigation and audio. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can tune into FM and DAB channels through the radio feature. There are also other ways to listen to media, such as Bluetooth. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is available, furthering device connectivity. You can check your vehicle status and settings available for the car. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Assistant activate the car's IQ Drive safety features such as distance control. Sound allows you to customise your speaker's equalizer settings and position of audio output. Beneath the display you'll find the car's 3-zone electric climate control system with heated front seat functionality. Driver profile selection is also available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. The Tiguan also comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. The roof of the cabin features a light-up personal mirror, SOS button, reading lights and additional storage. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace R-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.